Okay, so this is a super quick video, but are you seeing this message when you go to share something onto Facebook? Now, you might be seeing this message because you are trying to share a podcast onto Facebook, or you might be seeing this message because you are trying to share a YouTube video to Facebook. If you're seeing this message, then stay tuned because I have the answer. Hey there, so I wanted to do this quick video about sharing from a third-party account to Facebook. Now, I'm just about to launch my podcast over on Spotify, but this is also applicable if you are sharing videos from YouTube into Facebook or any other platform into Facebook. You do need to make sure that you are acting in your Facebook account as yourself and not your business page, because what happens if you're acting as your business page is exactly this, and I'm going to show you what happens. So when you click share onto Facebook, you get this error: user opted out of platform, the action attempted is disallowed because the user has opted out of the Facebook platform. Now, this is only because you are acting as your business page. As you can see in the top right hand corner of this video on the screen, there is that small yellow picture of me, that small profile picture. That is my profile picture of my Facebook business page. Now, to correct this error happening, you need to be acting in Facebook as yourself. So what you need to do is you need to go to Facebook, log into your account, and as you can see, I'm acting as my business page because this is my business page logo. If I click on it, you can see that this is my Facebook business page, and I need to be acting as myself, me as a profile. So to do that, you need to come up here and switch over to you as a person. So here's me as a person. As you can see, this is me, Anita. And the reason you know this is me as a person is because I have friends on my Facebook profile, whereas on my page, I have followers. So now, when you go to share from either your Spotify account or any other third-party account such as YouTube or iTunes or anywhere else, you should be able to do it. So to prove that, now that I'm acting as myself inside of Facebook, I'm going to go back to my podcast, which is what I want to share originally. And I'm going to click on the Facebook icon. Ta-da! And now I can share what I wanted to share originally. I don't get any error or anything. And this is purely because I'm now acting as myself, not as my business page. So I'm going to go ahead and add this in. So now I've added what I wanted to do. And just as a little bonus here, if you want this to go onto your story as well as your feed, then all you need to do is click this little button down the bottom here. Now, you'll only be able to do that if you don't write too much up here. So this short sentence is perfectly fine for this. And then all you need to do is, I'm going to make that public, and I'm going to click post to Facebook. So then this is going to go to Facebook. I'm a bit nervous because this is like my first ever podcast. So this is like me stepping into that zone that I often teach people to do. So now I've shared my podcast onto Facebook, and to show you that I've done that, I'll come into my Facebook account, I'll refresh my page, and there you can see that my brand new trailer is ready to roll. So that's how you link your third-party shares into Facebook without getting that error. If you thought this was useful, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends and colleagues who have also hit this problem. My name's Anita Wong, and I will see you in the next video. So don't forget to press the subscribe button. Oh, and don't forget to check out my new podcast over on Spotify and all podcasting platforms from tomorrow.